Hello, my name is Vadim. I'm an IT specialist here at Nagios, and in this video, I'll show you how you could add a gateway firewall in Nagios XI. This can be helpful for troubleshooting network issues and reducing downtime, making sure your switch stays online. Without wasting any more time, let's take a look. A firewall switch is similar to a router, but instead of blindly passing traffic from one network to another, it monitors incoming and outgoing traffic and decides whether to allow or to block specific traffic based on a set of security rules. To add a firewall switch, we first hover over Configure and select Configuration Wizards. We could either click on Networking tab, or we could type in switch. Then we will select network switch/router. The first step is to enter the IP address as well as selecting the correct SNMP version. This can be version 1, 2C, or 3. Then you will enter the community string. After that, you could customize your monitoring options, bulk configurations, and default values. In my example, I am changing the input and output rates as well as the default port speed. After you've entered the proper information, you will then check all the ports that would be important for you to monitor, or you could uncheck the ones that are not in use. Once you are happy with these settings, hit Next. On this page, we could see how often XI pings under normal circumstances and when there are any problems detected. We will leave the default values. From here, you could either hit Finish, or you could hit Continue to change notification settings, or set up any host groups or service groups. After that, we can save as template or click Apply. After you've applied your configuration, you could view status details, which will show you all the ports. This should help you check the uptime and set alerts for when a critical port goes down. I hope this video has helped you add a gateway switch so you can monitor each port and stay on top of your network infrastructure. If you've enjoyed this video, consider looking at our YouTube channel for more helpful videos, and I'll see you on the next one.